Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the confines of what we think we know? Welcome, fellow explorer of the cosmos, to a mind-bending countdown that will challenge everything you thought you knew about science. Today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of scientific inquiry, where certainty meets skepticism and where the known universe is just the tip of the iceberg. Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey through the annals of science? Buckle up tight, because we're about to unveil the top 5 established scientific theories that are currently under the microscope. These are the cornerstones of our understanding, yet they're facing fascinating challenges that could reshape our perception of reality. From Newton's theory of gravity to Einstein's theory of relativity, we'll journey through the cosmos and peer into the very fabric of existence itself. So brace yourself as we navigate through the realms of uncertainty and discovery. This isn't just a countdown, it's a voyage into the unknown. Let's dive in. Let's start with number 5. Or gravity. It keeps our feet on the ground, but does it also keep our understanding of the universe grounded? Let's delve into the fascinating world of gravitational theories, starting with the one that has shaped our understanding of the universe for centuries, Sir Isaac Newton's theory of gravity. This theory is elegant in its simplicity, proposing that every object in the universe exerts an attractive force on every other object. This force, gravity, depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. While Newton's law of universal gravitation has served us well, helping us predict planetary motion and even allowing us to send spacecraft to distant celestial bodies, there are some enigmatic phenomena that it struggles to explain. Take, for instance, the rotation of galaxies. According to Newton's laws, stars at the edge of a galaxy should orbit slower than those near the galactic center. However, observations show that they move at roughly the same speed. This discrepancy, known as the galaxy rotation problem, suggests the presence of unseen mass, or dark matter. Then there's the accelerating expansion of the universe. According to our current understanding, gravity should be slowing this expansion down, but it's not. Instead, the universe is expanding at an ever-increasing rate, a phenomenon attributed to a mysterious dark energy. These anomalies have led to alternative theories like modified gravity, which attempt to reconcile these observations with our understanding of gravity. These theories propose that gravity behaves differently on cosmic scales than it does in our everyday experience. As we probe deeper into the cosmos and peer further back in time, our understanding of gravity and the universe itself is continually being challenged and refined. But that's the beauty of science, isn't it? It's a never-ending journey of discovery, full of twists, turns, and surprises. As we venture further into the cosmos, our understanding of gravity continues to be tested and refined. From the origin of species to the complexity of life, has evolution evolved beyond Darwin's original theory? Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection, a cornerstone of modern biology, proposes that species evolve through advantageous traits passed on through natural selection. It's a simple yet powerful concept. The fittest survive, reproduce, and pass on their advantageous traits to their offspring, driving the evolution of species over time. Yet the evolutionary picture painted by Darwin in the 19th century has become more intricate and nuanced with the advent of modern scientific techniques and understanding. For instance, the role of non-adaptive processes like genetic drift has come under intense scrutiny. Genetic drift refers to changes in the gene pool due to chance. It is especially impactful in small populations where random variations can significantly alter the genetic makeup, independently of whether these changes confer any survival advantage. And then there's the fascinating world of horizontal gene transfer, a non-traditional mechanism of genetic exchange that allows organisms to acquire genes from another organism, skipping the parent-offspring line of inheritance. This phenomenon, common in bacteria, adds another layer of complexity to the evolutionary process. Moreover, our understanding of evolution is further complicated by the discovery of symbiotic relationships and epigenetic inheritance. Symbiosis, the intimate and long-term interaction between different species, can drive coevolution, altering the evolutionary trajectory of the involved species. Epigenetics, on the other hand, demonstrates that an organism's experiences, such as their diet or stress levels, can influence the genetic expression of their offspring without changing the DNA sequence itself. As we delve deeper into the genetic and molecular mechanisms underpinning life, we find that the evolution of species is not just a simple tale of survival of the fittest. Rather, it's a complex orchestra of genetic drift, horizontal gene transfer, symbiosis, and epigenetic inheritance, all playing together in the symphony of life. The theory of evolution, it appears, is itself evolving, adapting to incorporate these newly discovered mechanisms and processes. Life, it seems, is more complex than survival of the fittest. Einstein's relativity theory revolutionized our understanding of space and time, but could it be due for a quantum leap? Albert Einstein's theories of relativity, both special and general, altered the way we perceive the universe. The special theory of relativity, introduced in 1905, asserts that space and time are interwoven into a single continuum known as space-time. It also states that the speed of light is the same for all observers, regardless of their motion or that of the source of light. Fast forward to 1916, and Einstein presents the general theory of relativity, a radical reinterpretation of the concept of gravity. It describes gravity not as a force, as Sir Isaac Newton did, but as a warping or curving of space-time around massive objects. This theory has been validated repeatedly, from the bending of starlight around the sun to the detection of gravitational waves. However, as compelling as Einstein's theories are, they do not play nicely with another cornerstone of modern physics: quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics governs the realm of the very small, the subatomic particles, and it is notorious for its weirdness, with particles being in superpositions of states and entangled across vast distances. The problem is, while both theories work exceptionally well in their respective domains, they clash when it comes to describing gravity at the quantum level. Quantum mechanics treats particles and forces as discrete packets of energy, while general relativity depicts gravity as smooth curves in space-time. This clash has spurred the search for a quantum theory of gravity, a theory that can reconcile the large-scale world of relativity with the small-scale world of quantum mechanics. One promising candidate is string theory, which proposes that the fundamental entities of the universe are not particles, but tiny, vibrating strings of energy. This is the challenge for modern theoretical physics, to find a unified theory that can account for both the very large and the very small. In the quest to reconcile the very large with the very small, our understanding of the universe may be on the brink of another revolution. Germs, once our sworn enemies, may not be entirely villainous. Are we due for a re-evaluation? The germ theory of disease, formulating that illnesses are caused by microorganisms, has been a cornerstone of modern medicine. But as we delve into the complexities of the human microbiome, we're discovering that these tiny organisms might be more friend than foe. Research reveals that our bodies are teeming with trillions of microbes, and this diverse community plays a crucial role in our health. Rather than causing disease, many of these microbes help digest food, synthesize vitamins, and even fortify our immune system. And then there's the hygiene hypothesis. This idea suggests that early exposure to germs can actually strengthen our immune system, a thought that challenges our conventional view of pathogens as solely harmful. As we deepen our understanding of our microscopic companions, we may need to rethink our relationship with them. And finally, the number one scientific theory that is currently being re-examined. In the realm of the very small, the Standard Model reigns supreme. But are there cracks in its crown? This model is our current best explanation of the subatomic world, a framework that describes the fundamental particles and their interactions. It's a world of quarks, leptons, and force-carrying particles, all dancing to the cosmic symphony. Yet the Standard Model has its mysteries: dark matter and dark energy. These elusive phenomena that seem to make up most of the universe lie beyond its grasp. The model predicted the Higgs boson, sure, but what about the other particles it hints at, the ones we've yet to discover? We've peered into the abyss with the Large Hadron Collider, and so far it's come up empty. This has led scientists to wonder if the standard model is incomplete, if there are extensions or revisions needed to fully capture the nature of reality. As we delve deeper into the fabric of reality, we may find that our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy.